In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Google Chat and find old messages fast. By the end, you'll be able to jump straight to the conversation you need without scrolling forever. First, open Google Chat. You can do this in a browser by going to the Google Chat website or by opening it inside Gmail if you see chat in the sidebar. You can also use the mobile app if that's where you usually chat. The key is simply to get into Google Chat so you can access the search tools built right in. Make sure you're signed into the account where the conversation took place, since results are tied to your account. Once Google Chat is open, click the search bar at the top. It's usually easy to spot and may say something like, "Search" or show a magnifying glass icon. Clicking inside the search bar tells Google Chat you're ready to look for something specific. Even before you type, you might see quick suggestions based on recent chats or spaces. Those can be handy, but we'll focus on a direct search so you can find exactly what you need. Next, type a keyword. Think about the word or short phrase most likely to appear in the message you're looking for. The more meaningful the keyword, the better your results. For example, if you're trying to find reminders or notes from a planning call, type meeting. Google Chat will scan your conversations and spaces for that word. If you remember a unique term from the conversation, use that instead to narrow things down. You can also include a person's name or a project nickname if it was mentioned in the message. Keep it short and clear. Fewer, more targeted words usually work best. As your results appear, select the one that matches what you need. You'll see conversation names, people, and spaces that include your keyword, along with brief snippets that show where the word appears. Click the result that looks right, and Google Chat will open that conversation and take you to the relevant messages so you can read the surrounding context. If the first result isn't the right one, glance through a few more options or slightly adjust your keyword for a closer match. That's all there is to it. Open Google Chat, click the search bar, type a keyword, and select the result. Try searching for meeting to quickly surface older messages, and you'll save time every day. Thanks for watching, and happy searching!